If you're experiencing controller drift while playing Cyberpunk 2077, you can follow these simple steps to calibrate your controller and improve your gaming experience. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Access the game settings. Open Cyberpunk 2077 and navigate to the main menu. From there, go to the settings option to find the controller configuration. Step 2. Adjust controller sensitivity. In the settings menu, look for the controls section. Here, you can adjust the sensitivity settings for your controller. Lowering the sensitivity can help reduce the effects of drift. Step 3. Reset controller calibration. Still in the control section, find the option to reset controller settings or calibration. This will restore your controller to its default settings, which can help eliminate drift issues. Step 4. Test the controller. After making adjustments, return to the game and test your controller. Move around and check if the drift persists. If it does, you may need to repeat the calibration process or adjust the settings further. Step 5. Update controller firmware. If the problem continues, check if your controller has a firmware update available. Connect your controller to the appropriate software like Steam or the console settings and follow the instructions to update. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate your controller and minimize drift in Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your gaming experience.